This video demonstrates how to evaluate learners on their discussion participation by grading and providing them with feedback using the Discussions tool. Use the Discussion tool to add and provide bulk feedback to learners. On the Discussion List tab, click the drop-down menu of the topic you want to grade and select Assess Topic. Navigate to the learner you want to evaluate and click Topic Score to assign a grade. Here you can find the total number of posts a learner made and their respective rates. Click a post name to view it in detail. If you have attached a rubric to the discussion topic, it will appear in the rubric section. Click it to expand all rubric levels. Select the level the learner has achieved. The overall grade should correspond to the grade given in the rubric. If you have not attached a rubric to the discussion topic, enter a grade into the overall grade field. You can also add any additional feedback to the overall feedback field and mark any standards that were achieved if applicable. Use the attachment section to add text and audio-video files. Click Save Draft to save your evaluation, or click Publish to immediately publish your evaluation for the learner to see. Alternatively, after grading students, you can provide similar feedback to selected learners or to all learners. This way you can standardize messages according to the grades or standards achieved. To provide feedback to selected learners, on the Assess Topic page, select the learner to whom you want to provide feedback and click Add Feedback. Enter your feedback and click Save. The feedback is saved as a draft. To provide feedback to all learners, click Add Feedback to All. Enter your feedback and click Save. The feedback is saved as a draft. To publish the feedback, select the users you provided feedback to and click Publish. Click Yes to continue. Grading and providing feedback in the discussion tool ensures a smooth, efficient evaluation process. Thank you for watching.